Why not just pull all of the wallpaper off in an RV? Here's why. If you're new to my page, my name is Shai and I own an RV renovating business here in Las Vegas. There's a few different reasons why you shouldn't pull all of the wallpaper off on the interior of your RV. Number one, all of the walls are covered in wallpaper and it would take you forever. I hear it a lot from people that they've ripped out all of the wallpaper in their RVs and they totally regret it. It takes a lot more time and a lot more effort, and they didn't even consider the sanding. So when you pull all of the wallpaper off, you have to sand every single surface. And underneath all of that wallpaper are super thin wood panels. They splinter, and when you take the wallpaper off, it leaves a super rough finish. But more importantly, the wallpaper on those thin wood panels actually holds the structure together. What I mean is it reinforces the interior wood panels because you have a whole lot of separate pieces. So they put the wallpaper and the glue over it and kind of binds it together. So if you were to pull all of that wallpaper off, then you would be taking out some of the strength in your walls. And that creates more issues, right? And there's also a lot of comments on this post about water damage behind the wallpaper and the bubbling. Refer to the other videos for that. And I'll be sure to post some examples and do like a mini walkthrough of one of my RVs that I'm renovating when I get back to them.